have a package, and it is, and has to be, the #1 most rare item I have in my collection. Soon to be. We must unbox this now. On top of the epic cooler that I just got, AriZona iced tea vintage cooler, non-electric actually. Just put ice in it and it'll work great. Be chilled all day. So yeah, we're gonna unbox this right here, right now. These shoes, before I do unbox this, are extremely rare. About 20 to 30 of each were ever made. There are 3 different types. These ones are the GB99 retro iced tea look. Very much like this can and this can inspiration. Out of all my shoes, as you can see, I do have many around the room, and these have to be the most exclusive, hard to find, and honestly the coolest. So let's get right into it. They created this shoe in custom for the 25th anniversary of AriZona iced tea. In 2018, they made a pop-up store that lasted 3 days with a bunch of new clothing, just like this and this. So, so these shoes were made, but they were not sold, I do not believe. I think they were only available to certain people involved with the actual event. So let's pull out the box right now. As you can see, it's just a normal Nike box, unlike with the AriZona and Adidas collaboration. They made them for many people, so they made the box AriZona. So here's the box, normal Nike Air Jordan 1 box, I guess. I've never owned a pair of Nikes in my life. Only Vans, Adidas, and basically skate shoes and work boots. So let's get into these ridiculously expensive shoes. All right. We have our letter from my friend who I got these from. I will have that for my safekeeping. Now, I can already see the shoes, but this is extraordinary. What beautiful design. These are, holy crap. Let me get this out of the way. Oh my god. The little AriZona tab. And confirmed, it's from a real can, it looks like. Damn, these things are fresh. They're size 12, so I can't really fit. But that's okay, because I never risk wearing these in my life. They're all custom, each one made by hand. I guess we'll have to get some shots of these shoes on a later time. But there it is, my newest addition to the collection, my 17th pair of AriZona iced tea shoes. Now that's a sick shoe.